Early morning. Soft light fills the bedroom. The clock shows 5:30.
I wake up early. I open my eyes slowly. I turn off the alarm. I sit up on the bed. I take a deep breath.
The room is quiet.
I stand up. I walk to the bathroom.
The light turns on.
I wash my face.
Cold water splashes.
I look in the mirror. I brush my teeth.
This is my routine.
I rinse my mouth.
The shower starts. Steam fills the room.
I enjoy the warm water. I turn off the shower.
A clean towel waits.
I dry my hair. I go to the kitchen.
The kitchen is dark. A kettle is on the stove. The water boils. Première mectéa. The toast pops up. Butter melts on toast.
I sit at the table. I eat slowly. I drink green tea. I look out the window.
The sky turns blue. Breakfast is done.
I wash the dishes. I dry the dishes. I open my wardrobe.
My uniform is ready.
I put on my uniform. I tie my hair back. I put on my watch.
It is 6:15.
I pack my lunch.
I take my water bottle. My phone and keys wait.
I check the mirror. I turn off the lights. I step outside.
The air is cold.
I walk to the bus stop.
The sky is pink. The street is quiet.
I wait for the bus.
The bus arrives. The door s'open.
I get on the bus. I sit by the window.
The city wakes up. People go to work. The bus moves on. The hospital appears. The bus stop.
I get off. Thank you. I walk to the hospital.
The doors open. The lobby is calm.
Good morning. I go to the staff room.
Lockers are inside.
My locker is 27. I take my stethoscope. I wash my hands.
The schedule is clear. Floor 3 today. Rooms line the hall.
I walk down the hall.
A door open.
Good morning, Mr. Brown.
Good morning, Emma.
How are you today?
I'm okay.
Let me check you.
Okay.
The check begins.
Your temperature is normal.
That's good.
The cuff inflates.
Your blood pressure is good.
I'm glad.
Emma writes notes.
I fix your blanket.
Thank you.
The room est calme.
Van ben MCC-hun. I keep working. This is my routine.